Hello everyone, welcome back to the Let's Dream Civils YouTube channel. Today's topic of discussion is Namaste Scheme. That stands for National Action for Mechanized Sanitation Ecosystem. It is launched in the year 2023 by the Indian government. This scheme focuses on transforming sanitation work by ensuring safety, dignity, and better livelihood for the sanitation workers. Why this is in the news? Because recently there is a report from the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment which reveals that there is a significant improvement in the worker profiling, safety, and financial aid. This means that the government has taken strong steps to protect sanitation workers and improve their working conditions. Now let's look into this scheme overview. It is a central sector scheme which aims at eliminating the dangerous manual sanitation work by ensuring 100% mechanization. And the mission and goal of the scheme is to ensure safety, dignity, and sustainable livelihood for the sanitation workers through formalization, that is, formalizing these workers as a dignified labor force and providing financial support. The core objective of the scheme is to ensure zero fatalities, that is, eliminating hazardous manual cleaning to ensure no worker loses their life in sanitation operation. And then the mechanization, replacing the manual work, the manual scavenging with the mechanized cleaning methods and the equipment. Formalization, providing the dignity and safety through formal recognition and the social security protection. Who implements this scheme? Who implements this framework? So this is jointly handled by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment and the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. But the primary implementation agency is the National Safai Karmacharis Finance Development Corporation, which is also called as NSK FDC. How we will measure the success of this scheme? When we get the zero fatalities, that is when we succeed under this scheme. So this scheme is built to ensure that no person enters a sewer or a septic tank without mechanized aid so that we can prevent the loss of life. By 2026, the ecosystem aims to formalize over hundreds of thousands of sewer or septic tank workers and waste pickers into a dignified labor force. That's it, students. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for more such informative videos. Thank you. Stay tuned.